hello from Huntrix.
Wow!
Are these our new houses? I want the gold one. Then I'll take the silver one. I can't wait to get inside. But it's locked.
Hey!
Uh-oh. Mine's locked too. Help! Help! Hey, how do we open them?
Oh my gosh!
Maybe we can break the door down? Nope. LaLiLu, what's going on? Here comes Lali. Hi, everyone. Girls, why the long faces? We can't get into our houses. Lali kiss. Oh, keys. Hey, where's Rumi? I made it first. Come on, let's check out my fancy gold house. Ta-da! Whoa, Lali, you're already here? Yep, I'm coloring a picture. Oh, is that your notebook?
Wow!
Want to see what else is inside? Check out the link in the description. Does it have furniture for my house? Don't worry, LaLiLu will come up with something.
Hey!
Let's order everything. First, I'll check my wallet. Oops, it's completely empty. Oh. Looks like we'll have to get creative. I've got it! We can turn this wallet into a bed. Cut out the lining. Done. Lali, you're amazing. Flip the base over. Now it needs sturdy legs and a headboard. But what can we use? Let me think. I know, LaLiLu, my pencil. Perfect. Add some hot glue. Attach 2 pencils to the corners. There we go. What a beautiful headboard. Let's decorate it with lace. We should cover up the pencils. It needs some decorations. Wow, these little roses are adorable. Let's decorate the headboard with them. And here are the pillows. Super soft and comfy. This bed turned out amazing. It just needs a warm blanket. Awesome! It looks so cozy. Let's bring the bed into the room. Add a vanity with a soft stool and a gold TV. Yay! So, how'd it go? Wow! This room is amazing! And the bed is so pretty. Oh, let's have a sleepover. I want to watch TV. Oh no, the remote's too far. I can't reach it.
Ooh! Oh no!
Rumi, I've got you. Come on, just a little more. I couldn't get it, but I don't want to leave this bed. Me neither. It's way too cozy. No worries, I'll call LaLiLu. My favorite coloring book. Oh, Lali's calling. You need help? I'm coming. Oh no. Oh, come on. We need to help Lali. Girls, what happened? Can you hand us the TV remote? Seriously? That's why you called me? Here you go, you cozy couch potatoes. Yay! Thanks! You're welcome. And here's some popcorn for movie time. So yummy. Turn on LaLiLu World. Hey, Lali, what are you doing? Let's grab a snack. Great idea. No, my spoon broke. Oh! Well, that's perfect. Watch this. What are you up to? You'll see. Bring me the glue. Okay. Add some glue and attach everything to the lid. Cover the whole surface. Empty the container. Attach the backrest. Now spray it with silver paint. Everything turns shiny silver. I brought the glue. Yay! Perfect, it's clear. Add a little around the edges. And use a brush to make pretty swirls. Now let's add glitter. Pink first, and blue. Done, LaLiLu. Wow, it looks beautiful. The seat needs to be softer. This extra piece has to go. Cut it with scissors. Perfect. This fabric will make great upholstery. Great choice. Wrap the foam with the fabric. Push pins all the way through. Bend the ends on the back. Cover the pin heads with rhinestones. Wow, this little couch looks incredible, so stylish. Awesome job, LaLiLu. High five. We're the best team. Let's bring it to Mira. There, it looks perfect in the silver house. Awesome, I'm off.
Ooh!
Not so fast. LaLiLu, wait.
What?
What's up? This room needs more decorations. Let's hang a star garland on the wall. Add shiny feathers in the corner. We need more diamonds. Here are the biggest ones I've got. Now we're really finished. See you later, partner.
Bye-bye.
Whoa, is this my house? Wow, it's so beautiful. Lali, you're the best.
Yay!
I didn't make it alone. LaLiLu helped me. Aw, you two are the sweetest. Enjoy your new couch.
Woo!
Whoa, girls! Your houses look awesome! Time to open my house. Let's do it. Almost bullseye! Welcome to your cardboard house. It's so gray and so empty. I kinda like it. Zoey, we're about to give this place an awesome makeover. We'll use this cardboard for the walls, and the floor will be pink. Wow, I love it! Great plan, Lali. Let's make our cardboard bigger. Hey, can you still see me? Roll out the cardboard sheet. Add hot glue. Oops, it's a little too short. Add these strips. Perfect match. How did you make the cardboard bigger? Lali magic. Hey, it didn't work for me. Look, you do it like this. There, now we've got a floor. It's turning out so good. Lali, what do you have there? It's double-sided tape. We need it. Got it. Pull off a strip and attach it to the sidewall. Just like that, one by one. Peel off the protective layer. Whoa, what's this for? You'll see. Stick it right here. Cover the whole wall, switching up the colors. Awesome! It's so bright and fluffy. What about the second wall? Let's paint it. Dip the brush in. Oh no, the jar tipped over. LaLiLu, I got paint on the floor. It's okay. You always have a million ideas. You'll figure something out. Really? You believe in me? Wait, I already have an idea. I saw this cool hack once. Check it out.
Aha! Wow!
Prints with a plastic bag. Wow, that's such an interesting technique. Here's the bag. Tie the end with a rubber band. Turn it inside out. Add paint. Then stamp it down. Wow, it made a flower. Every print looks different. Let's add some yellow. The flowers need centers. A stamp makes them easy to draw. Let's make them pop. Add a few tiny white highlights. Let's make some 3D flowers too. Oh, fine. Wrap the bag with wire. And cut it like this. Done! Wow, it's so fluffy. We only made 3. Put them together and twist the stems. Voila! Gorgeous!
I like it!
And Zoey's name on the wall. Come in, but no peeking.
Okay.
Okay, you can look. Ta-da! Your house. Wow! This is unreal! Make yourself at home. I'm going to Rumi. Hey, are you bored yet? It's already bedtime for me. Good night, girls. Oh no, I'm scared. We need some light fast. I've got an idea. This will be perfect.
Ooh!
LaLiLu, help me make a night light. Okay, hand it over. Carefully separate the top. Pow! Got it. Draw a cute little face with a marker. Add gold cheeks. Look how adorable it is. Let's give it cute ears. Now for the bottom. I'll use air dry clay. Roll it into a little rope and wrap it around the edge. Done! Just a few finishing touches. Shade the ears with dry pastel. It needs sparkle. Add clear glue. Use this glitter. Perfect. Sprinkle it over the base and the ears. Add a tiny cute nose. Now all that's left is the light bulb. Aw, it's absolutely adorable. It's ready already? Great, let's take it to Rumi. Put it right here. Wow, it's so bright now. Aw, what a cutie. Now I won't be scared. Good night, Rumi. Sweet dreams. Now I need to go see Mira. LaLiLu, I have an idea. What is it? Ooh, let's make a table out of these beads. Sounds interesting. Will you help me? Of course. Add a tiny drop of glue. Stick the beads together. Voila, we made a table leg. Now we need to paint it silver. Cover it with spray paint. So fancy. I'll make the tabletop from a disc. Decorate the edges with beads. Lali, your table is ready. Let's bring it to Mira. Hey Mira, this is for you. Wow, it's beautiful. Let's have a tea party. Great idea. The cups are ready. Now we need guests. Teddy, sit right here. Let me serve you. So tasty.
Yeah.
And this pie is yum yum.
Yay!
Thanks for the tea. You're welcome. Girls, you're such little ladies. Hey Zoey, why are you on the floor? Where else am I supposed to chill? It's so uncomfortable here. Oh, poor thing. What would you like? Can I have some kind of couch? We'll come up with something. Lali, how's it going? I already have an idea. I think this could make an amazing little couch. Sounds interesting. But first we need to cut off these little parts. Carefully cut them away with a craft knife. Trim the edges. The base is ready. LaLiLu, I brought the upholstery. Corrugated paper is perfect for a cardboard couch. Cut it with scissors. Cover the backrest. Now let's make it soft. Fill the bottom with paper shreds. Finish the edges with corrugated cardboard. It's missing one thing. Lali kiss! LaLiLu, we did it! Great job, bestie. Let's bring the couch to Zoey. Right here in the best spot. Yay, a new couch! Lali, get up, I want to lie down.
Hey!
Nope, it's too soft. Just kidding.
Yay!
Woohoo! It's so bouncy. This is exactly what I dreamed of.
Yippee!
Zoey got tired and dozed off. Hey, Zoey! Oops, I should be quieter. Which house did you like the most? Maybe Zoey's cardboard house? Just look at those walls and those flowers.
I like it.
Zoey even has her own name sign. Those plastic bag flowers are seriously cool.
Amazing.
And the floor looks like a real little meadow. This house is awesome. And here's Mira's silver house. A fancy couch fit for a princess. And a super stylish table.
Excellent.
And that decor, mamma mia.
Wow.
It's so shiny, I almost blind. And finally, Rumi's luxurious gold house. Check out that royal bed. And that nightlight is just so cute. These are the 3 incredible houses we made today. Silver, gold, and cardboard. Write in the comments which one you liked best and give us a Lali like. Bye-bye.